Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing some fragrances from Zara. So if you guys want to see what I got, go ahead and stay tuned. Now first off, I just want to say kudos to whoever created these bags, because I promise you, like, this bag is stronger than a lot of you guys' relationships out here. It has been carrying the weight of the world and it has not broken. So I got 3 fragrances, and it was kind of funny how this happened because I really didn't plan on purchasing any fragrances from Zara, but I was in the mall with my friend and then I just so happened to walk in there, and I was actually looking for a couple pieces that I saw from some girls on TikTok, but when I went into the Zara at Lenox, they didn't have any of that stuff. Like, nothing. It was like the girls just ran through and just took everything. So I was just like, I'm leaving here with something. So me and my friend went up to the fragrance section and we just started smelling a bunch of stuff, and I ended up purchasing 3 of them. One of the ones that I purchased was Neroli, and this is the Zara Emotions collection, and it's number 6 in that collection, and I'm pretty sure this is the collaboration that they did with Joe Malone. And I have been wanting those fragrances forever, but then I wasn't seeing them online after a while, so that was weird. But then I was able to find one in store. But when I went to look up the notes of this fragrance and find out a little more information about it, it was nowhere to be found. But number 6 was actually under a different name. So y'all, I am so confused right now. But allegedly, if this is the same fragrance and they just changed the name of it, this is supposed to be a dupe for Tom Ford Neroli Portofino. So the box is just superb and immaculate. I'm gonna let you guys see what the box looks like up close. So as you guys saw, that is what the box and the bottle kind of look like up close. Pretty much all of Zara's fragrance boxes are just next level, but this one, it literally feels like a book. It is so hard and sturdy. This is definitely one that I will be keeping. And just the way that the bottle just sits in the box is beautiful. So since I wasn't able to find the exact notes for this fragrance, let me go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. So as soon as you open the cap, like, all you smell is neroli. Now this has a very, very strong neroli scent. It almost seems like there's a little bit of like a floral sweet type note in there somewhere. I definitely feel like there's jasmine in this fragrance. I feel like there are a couple more citrusy type notes in there, but this is really citrusy, really neroli-like. It pretty much just smells like nothing but neroli and a couple of other floral notes in there. I feel like this is very simple but classy. It's very strong, and I feel like this would have really good projection. It just smells really nice. I'm happy that I have this because I think I only have like maybe one other fragrance in my collection that has a neroli note in it, but the fact that this is like mainly neroli, or mainly has like that note, and that's the strongest one in this fragrance, I feel like it would be really good for layering with different like fruitier type perfumes. I feel like this would be really nice. This is very classy, very elegant. And one of the things that I really like about Zara's fragrances, they are rumored to be like dupes of really high-end fragrances, but they don't cost that much. And the quality of these fragrances are just next level. I don't have a single Zara fragrance that doesn't last long on my skin. So I'm really happy that I have this in my collection now. I can't wait to layer this with other scents and just add that little something special to it. And honestly, as it dries down a little, it almost smells like a nice hotel soap or a hotel lobby. It just has that type of neroli scent to it. So it's very, very pretty. Now next, I got Pink Flambe. And y'all, I just realized something. This is actually a 6-ounce bottle of perfume. Not a 3, not a 2, not even a 4, but a 6 ounce. I didn't even know they had 6 ounces of perfume, but now I have one. This thing is huge. So let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. She has been through a little bit of something, but this was literally the only one left. And the minute that I smelled this, I was just like, I need to have it in my collection. I don't care if the box has been through a little bit of something. I think a couple people maybe opened it up and took a couple sniffs, but I was just like, I need this, and it was the last one. So, and it was also marked down. This one used to be $25.90 and I got it for $12.99. So 6 ounces of perfume for $12.99. I'll take it. So this is what the box looks like up close. So that is what the box looks like up close. And like in my mind, like when I got this, I was just like, okay, that kind of looks like a big bottle, but I just thought it was like a 3.4 ounce or something. I never thought it was a 6-ounce bottle of perfume. Now this one, unlike the Neroli one, I was able to find some details on this fragrance. This fragrance was launched in 2018. In the top note there's bergamot. In the middle notes there's lemon and sorbet. And in the base note there is cashmere. I haven't worn this fragrance since I've had it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. This is kind of driving me just a little bit crazy because I know I've smelled something like this before. When you spray it, you definitely get the lemon note. You definitely get the cashmere. So it's like a citrusy, warm type scent. As it dries down, you definitely get more of the cashmere. This is just a really beautiful fragrance. It's pretty strong. So I think you can be a little bit conservative when spraying this on if you want like a lighter type scent. This is classified as a Citrus Gourmand scent, and as I'm smelling it, that's definitely what it smells like. I kind of feel like there might be like a vanilla type note in here somewhere in the base as well, because it's just really warm and cozy. Like, it's hard to explain. This fragrance, I feel like it would be really good for the fall and maybe even the spring months because it has some of those citrusy notes. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a summer type vibe in the beginning, but as it dries down, you get the warm cashmere notes and maybe even a little bit of vanilla. And I feel like those warmer notes make it perfect for like a nighttime scent or evening type situation and like a fall and winter type fragrance. And it can work in the spring too, but like as like a nighttime spring scent. This is gorgeous, and I haven't smelled this in a minute, so just smelling this again, it just reminded me of why I bought it. So yeah, I haven't worn this just yet, but I can't wait to wear it in the future, and I'm gonna have this forever, literally. I like to share my fragrances with my mom and my sister, so I think that they would really like this, and hopefully they can help me put a dent in this bottle because I want to start using up my fragrances. But 6 ounces, like, I did not see that when I bought it, but it's beautiful. It has a pretty pink bottle, so it'll look really nice on my fragrance shelf. And last but not least, I have Hibiscus. Now this is what the box and bottle look like up close. So that is what the box and the bottle look like up close. Now this is another one that kind of had me confused because I was able to find the notes of it, but when I looked it up, it was a completely different bottle. The bottle that I saw when I looked this fragrance up was pink, and this one's green. So I don't know if these same notes apply, but allegedly this was launched in 2022. The top notes are Tangerine and Bitter Orange. The middle notes are Mango, Passionfruit, and Peony. And in the base notes, there's Amber, Orchid, and Vanilla. So let me go ahead and spray this and let you guys know what it smells like to me. So it almost smells a little tropically when you first spray it. It's almost like a bitter pineapple type scent. You definitely get the bitter orange and the passion fruit note. I think that that's kind of what gives it like that bitter fruit type smell, but it's almost like a bitter tropical type scent. And you definitely get the mango too and the orchid note in the base. This is just so beautiful. When you first spray it, it just smells like a bright kind of bitter fruity floral. Definitely a fruity floral that I don't have in my collection right now. It definitely has has like a different type of twist to it, but it's just stunning. I wasn't able to figure out what this is a dupe of, but if any of you guys know that information, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. It just smells so good. Like, if y'all could smell this, like, it's stunning. So these were definitely some good buys. A lot of these my friend Raven picked out and was just like, you need to smell this. And when I smelled it, I was just like, you're coming home with me. These were definitely some amazing Zara fragrance buys. You guys, do not sleep on Zara. If you are looking for really nice, good quality fragrances, but you're not trying to break the bank, go into Zara. This is the most expensive one that I purchased, and it was $25. And it's supposed to be a dupe of Tom Ford Neroli Portofino, which like the small bottle could like run you about $250. So if you guys want those more expensive smelling fragrances without having to break the bank, definitely go over to Zara, smell what they have at the time. You could even order them online, and I feel like the online selection is a bit wider and you have a little bit more options. But if you're at the mall one day, pop your head into Zara and see what they have, because like I mentioned earlier, this one was like $25 as well, but it was marked down when I went in there, so I got it for $12.99. So 6 ounces of a really nice smelling perfume for like 12 bucks. You can't beat it. So if I can, I will have the links to all these fragrances linked below in the description box, so definitely check that out so that you guys can pick them up for yourselves and try them out. Also, if you guys have tried any of these fragrances, let me know what you guys think of them down below in the comment section. And also, if there are any Zara fragrances that you think I should try next, let me know down below in the comment section. So y'all, I hope you guys really enjoyed my little mini Zara fragrance haul. And as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.